why girls' education is more important than the rest of the society? What is your logic and point behind this?
Sir, education for girls is more important because girls in society mentality, girls is like object,
Girls is like
an object,
okay.
which without marriage they can truly be dependent on their father for small expenses and larger expenses.
But here you can explain and connect this topic in the manner that girls or after marriage the one who become a woman and control and construct a whole family. If that woman or girl is educated and they are dependable on their own, not on anyone else, okay, then she can structure a family which is stronger from within and which learns to respect the women from the other end, okay, and it will multiply the respect of the women in the society and the freedom of the women in the society, and it will help in the development of the whole nation in a particular manner. Okay, got it? Okay. So, without education, what you see the society will be.
Sir, without education, a society can never be developed.
Okay.
Because education is the only power, education is the only path to get citizens or people to know their rights and duties toward their society and toward their nation. If education is no, then people didn't know what is their right and what is their duties toward their nation or how to develop a nation or society.
Okay, very good. For economic growth and development, education is required or not? What's your ideology? What's your perspective regarding this? If you want your copy, then you can, and if you are satisfied, then just leave it. So first of all, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Kajal Gupta. I am a class 12 student.
Okay. And I am working on myself to
Working
make
on myself
to
to
make
improve
it,
my
to
English
improve
speaking
my
skill.
English speaking skills. Okay. So what topic you have given? What is your
Why?
topic?
What is the role of energy in the national development?
Role of energy in the
Nation's
nation's
development.
development. Good. First of all, what is energy?
Energy is a capacity to do work. Energy is a driving force that pulls the nation towards development
Okay.
and modern technology.
Okay. And why energy is related with nation's development?
Energy is related with nation development
National
in
development.
national development in many ways, like in agriculture, in industries, factories, or in communication, or in the improvement of lifestyles, life standards.
You must have to say that so in the present time, development cannot be attained without energy. Any sector, any equipment
sectors
or
can-
anything is intact and related with
Energy.
Okay? And actually, energy is the main reason of universal fight. Okay? Nowadays, the clashes which is going among USA, among Israel as well as Iran is due to energy crisis. Okay, Ukraine crisis was also dependent and also the major reason of energy clashes. Okay, so these things you need to structure in this manner that energy is nowadays a strong driving force, which is the actual reason of the strength of the nation. Okay, today's most powerful nation of the world, USA, always tries to keep the control of all energy resources within their hand. That means petroleum, that means rest of the resources. Okay? So, in this sense, they always try to establish a complete control on the energy sector and develop the whole thing in their own manner and on their own terms.
Terms of use.
Yes, and the one who is not following the terms of USA, they are just crashing them down. Understood? Want your copy then you can? No. So first of all, tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shazan Ahmad. I just gave my class 12th examination 1 month ago, and and after that I joined FSA Academy to improve my personality and English speaking. That's why I'm here today.
So, what is the topic of today's conversation? What topic you are doing?
It was on why healthcare facilities are important to improve nation.
So, what do you think about this? Why it is important? Why it is required?
It is a basic need of every human being, because if you don't have a good health, you can't do anything in your life. If you don't have a healthy health, there is no chance.
If you don't have healthy life, you can say healthy life.
Okay. If you don't have a healthy life, there is no chance of a wealthy nation, because the basic thing is it's your health, because it's your priority to prioritize yourself first. Because if you are healthy, then after that you will able to do anything in your life. You will work, you will study, you will do anything for
And one
others.
more thing, you can add this line that a healthy person is always much productive than unhealthy. The productive pattern of healthy person got increased and the productivity pattern of unhealthy person got decreased. You can add this line also. So next. Anything else on this? Okay. What is health? In your sense, define health in a simpler manner, whatever you understood and whatever you know.
Health is not just about your outer behavior or something. Health is about your mental illness, your social well-being. Everything is considered in health. This is the proper example of a healthy man or healthy woman.
Okay.
How you react on which situation, how short-tempered you are or not. These things are also considered in a healthy person.
That means you need to say that in a context of healthy person, not only physical well-being but mental emotional well-being is also included. Mental and emotional well-being. Okay? Why? Because a person who is physically fit but he is mentally ill, he is emotionally ill, then what is the meaning of his being healthy? So, complete combination of physical, mental and emotional well-being is called as health and healthy person. So for country's development, how health and healthy person you can broke down because of deflections, because of confusion and whatever things arise in your mind. Okay? Just try to be relatable, just try to relate the things in a proper and positive manner, try to make good and longer sentences. Usually in conversation, the thing that matters a lot is a explanatory and longer sentences. Okay? Not just try to escape from the question and complete your part. Usually what you are trying to do, that just fastly I want to give my answer whatever sir have asked and my work is done. No, be patient. It's your time. It's your responsibility to make conversation. क्या हिंदी में बोलने में कभी इतना हड़बड़ी दिखाते हैं कि बोल के चुप हो जाए? Then why are you making this in English? Okay, try to be calm and explanatory tone should be there and answer in a complete and long manner. All of you. Clear?